Alright, thank you for the time that you has given to us to explain our topic today that is about inference, fact, and opinion. Before that, let me in my group, my name is Ceria Putri Damaigula, as the moderator and first speakers. Delan Septiani Hulu and the second speakers and the last speakers Nesti Arni Hulu. So, for our friends, times is yours. Alright, thanks for the time that given to me. Now, I would like to explain our material about inference. Nah, what is inference? Inference is an idea or conclusion that's drawn from evidence and reasoning, and inference is an educated guess. An inference is a conclusion that has been researched by way of evidence and reasoning. For example, if you notice someone making a disgust face after they've taken a bit of their lunch. And the next step for making an inference. The first, read the source and identify the genre. And the second, come up with a question. The third, identify clues. The fourth, make an educated guess. And the last, explain and support your inference. Nah, and the next, types of inferences. Inference from the context is the stuff surrounding a text like the time, location, and other influence. Uh, and the second, inference from tone. The tone is the attitude and author's text when writing. And the last, inference from example. Uh, that's our explanation. I can say thank you.
Now I will explain about the fact. What is a fact? Fact is anything that has occurred or is known to have occurred and may be supported by credible evidence. It means everything that is caught by the human senses or real data that is proven and has become a reality. Characteristic of fact. The first, fact is based on observation or research. It means a fact is indisputable observation of a natural or social phenomenon. We can see it directly and show to others. A hypothesis is an idea we can test with further observation. For example, we can see or we can read about reading for part A, fifth line. The second characteristic about the fact is an objective reality. Evidence or statistic can be used to verify fact. For example, we can read reading for part B, first row. The third characteristic about the fact is the fact explains what happened. For example, we can read reading for part C. Fourth characteristic, fact is that it is universal and does not vary from person to person. For example, we can read reading for part C, second line. The last characteristic is facts are real information that cannot be used, challenged, or debated. For example, we can read reading for part A, first row.
Alright, we are continue. That is about opinion. For the first is definition of opinion. What is the opinion? Opinion in here are statements based on feelings, attitudes, or belief. No matter how much you agree with an opinion, it can be never proven right or wrong. So based on the definition above, we can understand what is the definition of opinion. Opinion in here is when we give some statement, when we give some feelings of our daily life or based on experience in our life. So we can make some statement based on that. So your statement in here can be mentioned as the opinion. But the opinion in here not force us to give or to make the opinion is wrong or true, because as as long as the opinion cannot have proven, so the opinion is wrong. Alright friends, next it is about characteristic of opinion. So in here we are found 9 characteristic of opinion. For the first is, opinion sentence more often come from personal opinions, or you could say they rarely use source, like expert, the public, and others. So in our book, in popular reading 4, with the title TV Addiction, you can find the opinions from the personal in part A in 7 line. In the 7 line say that in Gallup polls in 1992 and 1999, 2 out of 5 adult respondents and 7 out of 10 teenagers say they spend too much time watching TV. So in here, there are personal opinions, that is from Gallup polls. So the fourth characteristic is, in general, opinions contain personal opinions and solicitation. So we will often find argumentative and persuasive sentence. For example, in popular reading 4, part D, in the part, there are many experts that give our opinions about TV addiction. In this part, there are many experts to give their opinions about TV television that has such a hold on us. For example, for the Ivan Pavlov. Next, from the Byron Rivers, Esther Thorson, and etc. So in here, for the some text, it is not only stay or not only give personal opinions, but sometimes we can find the other or many experts that give one opinion based on the same topic. Next, the fifth characteristic is, uncertain information make opinion sentences more often begin with words such as taste, me, and others. Next is, opinions are almost all personal opinions, so there will be many sentences which are personal opinions. Sentences of personal opinions are usually in the form of answer to the question what, how, and others. So in some texts, there are many opinion or opinion from expert, and the statement is our personal opinions. So in here there are many the word from the expert or the word from personal opinions. And in the text, the expert also answer the question what, how, and others. And the next is, the information contained in the opinion is in the form of response to events or phenomena that are currently happening. So in this characteristic, for example, there are some phenomena, or there are some happens, or there are some events. So based on the phenomena and also events, the expert give their statement or give their opinion based on the event. So what happened in the event, the expert give their opinion with their own word. And next is use word more often, such as maybe, like, should, and could be. And I think you understand what is the meaning of this characteristic. And the last characteristic is the content of the opinion tend to be in favor of only on one party, which is added with suggestion, description, and opinions. So in here, the opinions is tend to be favor of only one party. And also when we found some opinion from expert, the content of the opinion can be added by suggestion, description, and so on. So that's all about characteristic, and we go on in the next slide. It is about why does opinion writing matter? Opinion writing is important because it gives writers a space to express their thought on any given topic. Remember, opinions are not fact, which means they cannot be proven to be true. So the meaning of the slide is what the writers write their opinions. It is because important. Why opinions important? Because the writers the writers express their thought. So in here, the expert is give us their opinion. What is the something that there are in their mind? They put or they give to us for our experience or also for knowledge for us. But we must remember in here opinion is not fact. What I can say that because the opinion can be proven to be true. As long as the opinion that have proven or they are not fact, so the opinion is not true. So that's all our presentation today, and thank you.